Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. This video, if you haven't already noticed, is sponsored by Arrowzoom. So the whole video we will be talking about Arrowzoom, and I will be showing off my new setup back here and also her setup that is not complete just yet, but there's something pretty nice over there that I need to talk about because Arrowzoom hooked us up even more. So let me just go ahead and say this right now. For my main audience, this is going to be sort of an updated video for you guys to see what's going on behind the scenes on the setup. And for everyone else that's been, you got here because you searched acoustic foam or anything, Arrowzoom is a company that does specialize in acoustic foam. I've been using their acoustic foam for 3 years now, and it's absolutely fantastic. It's fire resistance, everything that you need from gaming in terms of sound dampening, from that, singing, whatever, streaming, whatever, they got you covered on this one. And it comes in a variety amount of colors. Like, I mean, an absolute crazy amount of colors that you can go through. I chose black and blue because black and blue is my theme, and that's my two favorite color combos put together. So let's talk about this really quick. If you use code AZICJ, you will get 10% off your order, plus on top of that, they told me that you will get express shipping for free. So that means you will get your acoustic foam faster only by using my code down below. Now let's get into this setup. So again, big shout out to Arrowzoom for this one. As you guys can see, that logo right there. We're gonna get into this one because again, there is two different acoustic foam panels that are actually in this one. One of them is more of a hard, and the other one is pretty much the same type that I already have. So I'm gonna go ahead and get all into this one really quick. So it looks like it came into two different parts is what it seems like. It seems like this one is the newer one that I was talking about, that is their sort of like new thing, and then the other one is what I already have back on the wall back here. So again, this whole wall hopefully will be filled with the same color because I opted in for the same black and blue theme, even though this one's darker. This one over time will probably get to that dark. So I am going to go over and try to take this all out really quick and see how it looks. And I won't try to put up all of it at once. Maybe I'll show you the final product here in a second. But actually, you know what? I will keep this under wraps so you guys can see that on the final product and final build on this wall when it is all up over here.
Day 2.
Hello everybody, so welcome to the part where I'm about to show off both our setups really quick. So again, her side is not complete, and we don't have anything in this sort of spot right here when you get into the door and shut it. So everything is all back over here. So I want to talk about her side first because her side is the part that she still has a couple things that she wants to do that she hasn't done. So I'll probably do maybe a follow-up thing on there where we actually see everything that she's done. But the big thing I want to talk about over here is really cool because her side is always very, very, very clean. So her setup is usually always very clean. And again, she wants to have this whole space all the way up here. She wants to have lights back up through here and stuff like that. But the centerpiece is going to be this big, big, big tapestry thing that you see right here. This is actually acoustic foam, and they come in a variety of things, and this is something that I did not know that they had before. And there is a crazy amount of these different kinds, oceans, everything that you could probably imagine of. They have these, and what's cool about this, and there is one negative side that I've seen only, but the cool thing about this is like I said, these are actually individual foam panels, and you can take these off at any point in time. And as you can see, there is tape here, and it's clear, it's a double-sided tape that has, and the other side is Velcro. So once I will stick to the wall, that's the tape, and then the other side will come onto the back of these panels like Velcro and just stick back in place. So you literally have them interchangeable at any point in time. You can literally change any one of these to a whole new mural whenever you actually want to. But the one downside that I have to say, because I do love that tape, and I will say this right now, that tape does actually work with the acoustic foam panels back over here on my side that you haven't seen just yet. But they do work with that, and I might have to redo my whole side because we have a crazy amount of these pieces left. They come in strips like this, and you can literally cut them for whatever length that you want, all that stuff. And it comes with a massive amount. I highly recommend that if you're going to buy acoustic foam, to literally get those. Like, if you don't, I don't know what you're doing. But one of the negative things that I do have to say is that actually right here, you can see where they projected, they actually like scanned it over the phone of the whole thing, and this part did not match all the way through. Down here, I was thinking about cutting it out, but then I was like, no, that would look weird because all the other ones are all the same length. And so I just said F it, and I'm just gonna keep it the way it is because again, it's great, and she will have a lot of stuff trickling down, so you probably won't even notice it after. But that's just one of the things that I noticed whenever I took it out and was putting it all together. So now we're about to turn over to my side, and my side is, yeah, as you guys can see, I actually did what I wanted to do, and I did the full wall. So this whole wall back through here is crazy done, and I want to go ahead and say right now, while you're looking at this one, you can point out the reason why I'm going to use those strips is because I put tacks in here, because I don't know, this is not like a permanent place. Like, we actually have a lease and stuff like that, so we don't know if we're going to come back on the lease or anything like that. And I didn't want to put that other tape on it that could mess up the back. And that was before I realized that we actually had this other tape and it would actually work with these acoustic foams. But like I said, you could get amazing amount of things. And I just want to go ahead and point out that I do have two different colors of blue here. This one was the older one. This is the first original one that I got 3 years ago from Arrowzoom. So if you can tell, so if you can see that they still look incredible after 3 years. This is a new one. This is a different colors. They're not the same color. This is the light and this is the dark blue. So light blue, dark blue. And they still look absolutely insane all the way through here. Again, you know, I gotta have Mamba Kobe in the middle right here, but I did have all of this over here as well. I wanted to sort of get everything in frame and make sure that there was no sound that was going to be bouncing off while I'm over here at the desk. And again, I need to get a new desk, so this is not even the final form, but everything is the way that it is. And this was literally before I actually cut on any of the like lights and stuff like that. So I could close the window right here that's giving out so much light, and then cut this light off over here, and I can kind of show you sort of an idea of like what you're probably going to be seeing a little bit while I'm streaming and in the back of videos and stuff like that. And so if I do that and I cut that off, and then I come over here and I cut this off. So as you guys can see, you know, it gets sort of dark. I mean, we're in the literally at the beginning of the day. It's morning. So, you know, it's very bright out there, but you guys can see that it's, you know, how it is, you know. And this is before the light. So I'm going to go and actually cut on the lights so I can sort of show you what you're going to be seeing. So if I cut that one strip on, and then I cut the other two strips that I have all down here, and I come back out here. So now you're going to be able to sort of see, like, I actually have, you know, a strip down there. There's a strip under here. I sort of like to have them all going, you know, different and not like synced up sometimes, because you get the different sort of effects. But yeah, I'm not even fully done with this, and I gotta say, it looks absolutely amazing. And I just want to go ahead and again say thank you to Arrowzoom for seriously sending out so much of their acoustic foam to let me feel pretty much almost this whole entire wall, to be quite honest. Like, this whole entire wall I could have seriously filled out if I really wanted to. Again, thank you guys so much for that one. And again, use code AZ-ICJ and get 10% off and express shipping for free. Thank you guys so much. Take care. So I just wanted to go ahead and end this video off by saying thank you guys so much for using my code over the years to get yourself some amazing acoustic foam from Arrowzoom. Thank you guys so much, because if without you seriously using the code, I doubt I'd be getting, crazy amount of acoustic foam sent in like that. And I want to go ahead and incorporate you guys into videos and stuff like that. So if you do purchase any acoustic foam from Arrowzoom with my code, all you got to do is maybe screenshot that you purchased it, or screenshot with your actual acoustic foam holding up Arrowzoom, and I will literally try to retweet it or put it into a video. All you gotta do is just follow me on Twitter and do it down below, and yeah, I will try to put you in a video to show off my gratitude for you guys going that extra mile and supporting me even further and beyond, and making your setups cool. I mean, come on, man, it makes your setups cool. Get you some RGB as well, Ham. Do what you gotta do and make it fire. But again, thank you guys so much. Have an awesome day / night. Stay safe, God bless, and hopefully this video was informative for you, and I'm out. Peace.